We met in 1991 when the EPEA held a reception at a rooftop garden in New York City to celebrate the opening of its first American offices. The invitations were printed on biodegradable diapers, to highlight the fact that conventional disposable diapers were one of the largest single sources of solid waste in landfills. We began talking about toxicity and design. Michael explained his idea of creating a biodegradable soda bottle with a seed implanted in it, which could be thrown on the ground after use to safely decompose and allow the seed to take root in the soil. There was music and dancing, and our discussion turned to another object of modern manufacture, the shoe. Michael joked that his guests were wearing hazardous waste on their feet, waste that was abrading as they spun on the rough surface of the floor, creating dust that people could inhale. He told how he had visited the largest chromium extraction factory in Europe. Chromium is a heavy metal used in large-scale leather tanning processes, and noticed that only older men were working there, all of them in gas masks. The supervisor had explained that it took on average about 20 years for workers to develop cancer from chromium exposure, so the company had made the decision to allow only workers older than 50 to work with this dangerous substance. There were other negative consequences associated with the conventional design of shoes, Michael pointed out. Leather shoes are actually a mixture of biological materials, the leather, which is biodegradable, and technical materials, the chromium and other substances, which have value for industries. According to current methods of manufacture and disposal, neither could be successfully retrieved after the shoe was discarded. From a material and ecological standpoint, the design of the average shoe could be much more intelligent. We discussed the idea of a sole coated with biodegradable materials which could be detached after use. The rest of the shoe could be made of plastics and polymers that were not harmful, and which could be truly recycled into new shoes. Incinerator smoke drifted from nearby rooftops as we discussed the fact that typical garbage, with its mixture of industrial and biological materials, was not designed for safe burning. Instead of banning burning, we wondered why not manufacture certain products and packaging that could be safely burned after a customer is finished with them. We imagined a world of industry that made children the standard for safety. What about designs that, as Bill put it, loved all the children of all species for all time?